And obviously he wants to qual to Div 2 today. So the problem was he was at college and the shops were in opposite directions. So he was talking about having to get a PlayStation 1 instead of an Xbox One. And then learn the PlayStation 1. So he's just said that he went all the way to the shop and they were out of stock. But then he found a new shop and it was £60. I mean, that one's not actually that old. And I even bought him one. I sent him one. Okay, where's that? Fine, 30. I mean, I was using the Elite controller and yeah, mine was more just stick drift after a while. I can't say they actually ever broke. It was literally just the stick drift that I was getting. I would seriously consider though anyone that is on controller getting scroll wheel, getting one of these scroll wheels that you can attach, which gives you also an extra button as well. That literally just goes on, plugs in, and then that will give you scroll wheel pick up and reset. And then you've got an extra button which I used to put to like the first slot, which was my shotgun. Anyone that uses controller, well worth investing in one of those, I think. For me, it was a big game changer. Xbox Elite. Are you guys playing? No. Scopes. No. No, I don't think so. I don't know. I haven't really thought too much about it, to be honest. I mean, I can't play Valorant. I've never played FPS games like fight. I've never played CS:GO or anything like that. So I don't know. I've never played. Yeah, never played a first-person shooter game. My Valorant stat says I played 9 Valorant games. Yeah. What, over and above rank? Go over and above, like reload and things. I don't know. I mean, I don't know. Can you get... I presume you can probably do solo queues. You can on Valorant do solo queues.